Welcome to our comprehensive guide to Shopify transaction fees. In this video, we will shed light on what transaction fees are, how they operate, and most importantly, how you can minimize them to maximize your e-commerce profits. Understanding and managing Shopify transaction fees is essential for any business owner looking to succeed in the competitive world of online sales. We will delve into the factors that influence transaction fees and provide practical tips to help you optimize your fees and boost your bottom line. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Shopify transaction fees. Shopify transaction fees are essentially a small percentage of the total sales amount, charged every time a customer makes a purchase on your online store. There are two main types of Shopify transaction fees, a fixed fee and a variable fee. The fixed fee is a set amount charged for each transaction, regardless of the amount of the sale. For example, Shopify's basic plan charges a fixed fee of 30 cents per transaction. The variable fee, on the other hand, is a percentage of the total sale amount. For the basic Shopify plan, the variable fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents. So, if you sell a product for $100, you would pay a transaction fee of $2.90 plus 30 cents equals $3.20. Several factors can influence the transaction fees you pay on Shopify. One of the most important factors is the payment gateway you choose. Different payment gateways have different fee structures, so it's important to compare them carefully before making a decision. For example, Shopify Payments, Shopify's own payment gateway, charges a lower variable fee, 2.4% plus 30 cents, than PayPal, 2.9% plus 30 cents. Another factor that affects transaction fees is the type of credit card used. Some credit cards, such as rewards credit cards, may charge higher fees than debit cards or standard credit cards. Finally, your Shopify plan can also affect your transaction fees. Higher tier plans typically offer lower transaction fees. For example, the Shopify Plus plan charges a variable fee of 2.15% plus 30 cents, which is lower than the basic Shopify plan's 2.9% plus 30 cents variable fee. Now that you understand the factors that influence Shopify transaction fees, let's discuss what you can do to minimize them. One of the most effective ways to reduce your transaction fees is to compare payment gateways and choose the one that offers the lowest fees for your business. For example, if you process a high volume of transactions, you may want to consider using a payment gateway that offers a lower variable fee, such as Shopify Payments, 2.4% plus 30 cents. Another way to minimize transaction fees is to negotiate with your payment processor. If you are a high-volume merchant, you may be able to negotiate a lower rate with your payment processor. Finally, you can also optimize your Shopify plan to reduce transaction fees. Higher tier plans typically offer lower transaction fees, so if you are processing a high volume of transactions, it may be worth upgrading to a higher tier plan. In conclusion, understanding and managing Shopify transaction fees is crucial for maximizing your e-commerce profits. By following the guidance we have provided in this video, you can optimize your fees and enhance your business growth. Remember to compare payment gateways, negotiate with your payment processor, optimize your Shopify plan, and stay up to date on the latest changes to Shopify's fee structure. By taking these steps, you can minimize your transaction fees and increase your bottom line.